Hey y'all, welcome back. It's another cooking with Nicole video. It's been a minute since I cooked anything, and since we all in this house on lockdown, and I wanted some Chinese food so bad. In St. Louis we call it Chinaman, but wanted me some Chinese food. So today that's what we cooking. So let's get into this video, y'all.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow.
So hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, welcome back to this video. Thank you for continuing to watch. Before we jump into this video, I want y'all to subscribe, join the family, then turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when your girl posts another cooking video, another vlog, another whatever. So this video today is Saturday the 11th. I wanted this video done on the 10th, so you're gonna be hearing me talk like in past tense in the video because I started it yesterday. But in today's video we are making fried rice, and if you watch Food Network, Robert Irvine, that's my boy, Restaurant Impossible, he got a recipe for fried rice. Now normally me and my mama we jazz up and do our own thing, but today we're gonna follow Robert's recipe. So I will be putting it in the description box. Again, put your own meats that you want to use, your own seasonings, your whatever. I'm gonna give you the basic structure of it and then tweak it to your own liking. So now we're about to get into these ingredients. I'll be showing you all the ingredients today. Me and my mama love making our own fried rice, and with everything that's going on, why not cook at home? It's safer. You ain't got to worry about the coronavirus. So we normally come up with our own recipe, but today we're going to use Robert Irvine's recipe from the Food Network. I will be putting the information in the description box as well as the full recipe. These are the ingredients we are using. Uncle Ben's instant brown rice. I grabbed the wrong rice. We normally do boil in the bag because it's easier, but since I didn't, we're using instant brown rice that's cooking now. Calls for eggs. We like peas and carrots in our rice, so these are frozen peas and carrots that we are thawing out. Calls for sesame oil. It normally calls for kosher salt, but we don't have any kosher salt, so we are using pink Himalayan salt. Calls for 1 large onion. We have some onion powder, some black pepper, some ground paprika, a little garlic salt, and some minced garlic, vegetable oil, and then we have boneless, skinless chicken breast, and the recipe calls for 4 of those. And this is optional. We do like green onion and bell pepper in our rice. So we're going to cut one of these up, and these will be the ingredients that we're using for our rice. Again, you could add any meats and veggies that you like. Since we are going through a quarantine, we really don't want to leave the house. This is everything that we already had here. So again, you can add your own meats that you prefer, your own veggies. But again, this is what the recipe calls for. Only things different is that we're adding bell pepper and using pink Himalayan salt instead of the kosher salt. But this is everything, so I will come back to you all in the next. Y'all know what rice look like boiling, but somebody gonna probably ask, oh, is she cooking our rice? Why, yes, I am, okay? There's the rice cooking, bubbling up or whatever. So after this rice is done cooking, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and make sure it's cold. You don't want to put no hot rice in there when you're making your rice because it'll be gummy and it'll be nasty. So after this cooks, it's going to go in the refrigerator till later on tonight when we assemble the rice. So I will be back. Okay, so y'all, it's the next day. We didn't end up eating fried rice last night. No, it just it was not about that life. So it's better that we're eating it today. So this is the chicken breast, 4 chicken breasts, which I cut up and sliced into thin little strips. As you can see that. This is 4 chicken breasts. And then this is that 1 onion and that green, not green. It's the bell pepper. And then I also wanted you to see what happens when you refrigerate the rice overnight. It's best to refrigerate your rice 24 hours so it will be firm and stiff. Y'all see that? I know y'all can't hear that, but it's not mushy, it's not gummy, it's firm. And so, time to get to preparing the chicken. The chicken we're gonna be cooking in sesame oil and seasoning to our liking. Again, you can use any spices you want, but the sesame oil is the key when you're cooking the chicken. So I will come back to you all in a minute after I cook the chicken, so I'll show you all of this. So what you see here is 3 eggs, beaten with a whisk, sorry. You beat eggs with a whisk in a small bowl and season with salt and pepper to taste. Heat very little oil in a medium frying pan over medium heat and make sure an omelet using half the beaten eggs. Turn out onto a plate to cool. Do not fold omelet. Repeat process with remaining beaten egg. Place one omelet on top of the other and fold and coarsely chop set aside. Here are the 2 the omelets that we made coarsely chopped. So I'm going to set these to the side. You can chop these up as fine as you want. It's all up to you. I'm going to set these aside, let them cool, and now off to cook this chicken. Ooh. Now you mix a teaspoon of sesame oil with your chicken. And then you season the chicken to your liking. If you want to do salt and pepper, garlic powder, whatever you like to use. But this is what you're going to do, so I'll be back in a minute. In this pan is 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You heat that up on high heat, and you can either use a pan, a skillet, a wok, whatever you have, okay? And then you're going to cook the chicken. So you see 2 cloves of garlic in here, minced garlic. And then we have the onions and the bell pepper and the chicken. We're going to continue to cook this until it's brown. And then we will be adding the next items, which will be more veggies. And then the rice. We halfway done, y'all. Do y'all hear that sizzling? If y'all could just smell this, okay? So the carrots and the peas are added. As you can see, the onions have gotten softer. And y'all, if y'all could smell how good, look at that chicken, getting that golden color on it. So now we're about to add 2 more, tablespoons or teaspoons? 2 more tablespoons, I think, of vegetable oil, and then we mix in the rice. Everything is now combined together with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You're going to just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. You can add more soy sauce to your liking, but I will come back to you all once everything is done and plated. Don't that look good, y'all? Yes. You have to have it on high heat or it's not going to do right. And there you have it. If y'all could smell this. If y'all could smell this. Look at that. Now, some people don't like veggies in their rice. Baby, put some peas and carrots in your rice and thank me later. And I like the way he had you cook the egg. You chop it up before you put it in there. See, normally we will scramble it and then do it. But we did it different this time. And look at the char on that chicken. Also, we used to do like little chicken chunks. This time, I did the shaved chicken. If y'all could smell what Nicole and her mom is cooking. Okay, like, and again, we use everything we had at home. So, of course, I'm about to plate this up. Let me show y'all again. Look at that. All white meat chicken. Onions, carrots, bell peppers, onions, chicken, egg. So y'all, this is the finished product. Not plated up, but I got it in a cute little bowl. As y'all can see, it's giving me Panda Express vibes. I feel like it's giving me the Panda. Baby, but it's good though. Y'all have to make this rice. So comment below and let me know if y'all gonna try to make this rice. Let me know if you make fried rice. If you do, what kind of meats and veggies do you put in your own rice, okay? Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So, yeah. So, y'all. Did y'all see that rice? Like, get into it, okay? Get into it. Like, I know I told y'all I was gonna eat something on camera, but hey, I just ate a piece of meat on camera. I had kind of was working and stuff like that, so I'm about to eat it now. But it's so good. Make sure you put that sesame oil in there. That's the key right there. So again, comment below. Let me know if y'all gonna make this. Let me know if y'all make your own fried rice. And just go ahead and subscribe and join the family. So I thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. And I will see y'all in my next video. And stay safe, y'all. And I love y'all. Talk to y'all later.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow. Let go.